Now, today we will learn about the types of computers. In types of computers, uh, we will learn three types. We will learn three types. Three types. What are these three types? First, there are three main types of computers. Uh, the first is digital computer. Second one is the analog computer, and third one is the hybrid computers. Now we had seen that there are actually three main types. There are so many types. There are many types of the computers, but out of these, only we'll consider the main three types: digital, analog, and hybrid computers. Now, what is when you talk about the computer? When you talk about the computer, what types of computer? Computer means what? It is actually electronic circuit. It is in digital form. It is in the digital form. Digital form. And when you can say digital form, it uses electronic circuit. It uses electronic circuit. Electronic circuit. Uses electronic circuit. It is digital. It is electronics. It is electronics. Means it is nothing but the it uses electricity. What it uses? Electricity. It uses electricity. Now when it uses the electric circuit have properties on and off, and it means that you can say the circuit may be on, circuit may be off. This total, when you talk about the computer, total computer system is the digital form, is in the electronics form, and it uses electrical circuit on and off. Whatever circuit inside the computer, it's only in the form of on and off, means in the form of 0 and 1. Means another word you can say that computer can understood only the 0 and 1. So on the basis of this, we can differentiate these two computers. On the basis of this, we can differentiate into two computers according to their functions. So what is this function? The first we will talk about the digital computer. Digital computer, and digital computers have so few properties. What are these properties? We'll discuss this. Now the first one is that digital computers have some uh, input informations. You can give the input information from user or outside world. So this first is the computers represent data information in the binary form. What do you mean by this? Binary form. What do you mean by this binary form? Binary form. What is binary form? Binary means two. Binary means two. Means what is two forms? Is in the form of 0 or in the form of 1. This is two forms. Binary form 0. So in this here, I told you in previous section that it is on and off. It is nothing but this 0. When input the 0, it is nothing but the off, and this is 1 is nothing but the on. So it means that another word you can say that digital computers have a function to understood only in the form of 0 and 1. Whatever problem you input to this system is nothing in the form of 0 and 1, and combination of this 0 and 1, and then 1 0 and only two things, binary things, and then afterward you can say that the combination of this third form is the combination of this combination combination of 0 and 1. Combination of 0 and 1. Means suppose two bits are there. First is 0 0, then is 0 1, then is 1 0, then is 1 0. Is this is the various other forms 0 0. Means combination of 0. If you choose on this again bit increases 0, again many combinations are there. So in this way, all data stored inside the computer in the form of 0 and 1 is in the form of only two digits. Consider two digits only, 0 and 1. Therefore it is called as a binary one. So we can say that it is data or information stored inside the computer in the form of 0 and 1. Now the second point is data represented in the form of signals in the form of 0 and 1. What type of signals is there? This is nothing but the digital one. This is nothing but the, you can say that it is digital data. Digital data means it's have a digital signal. Means what type of signals is this? In the form of this such type of signals. This is the signals. This is the signals. This signals is having 0 and this is 1. This is 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, 1, 0, 0. When there is a signal, no signal, no current, means it represents 0. When there is a signal, means there is a peak. Here is a peak, which stores the 1. So it stores 1 and it stores 0. When there is no signal, it stores 0, and when there is a peak, it stores 1. So during the communication, such type of signals creates inside the system by devices and has stored this 0 and 1 by using these waves. You can say it is also waves. Okay, so what type of devices have such type of things happens? That's storing the data in the form 0 and 1. It uses input as a like square waves. It is also called as a square waves. Square waves. It is also called as square wave. It's also called a digital waves, or it's called as a square waves. So where these things happens in the form of devices. These devices such as desktop, your computers, laptop is also nothing but another form of these computers. Mobile phone also uses these things. iPad also uses these things. iPhone also uses these things. So these are devices in the form of digital, in the form of electronic circuit, and electronic circuit nothing have the properties of electric circuits on and off. So this type of technique used in the form of digital computers, and therefore you can say that such type of computers are called digital. Okay, so the next one is that your next computer is analog computer. What is this analog computer? Whatever property these have, analog computers have these properties. These computers represent data or information in a continuous form. That was in the digital form. It was in the continuous form. You look at this continuous form. This is a continuous form. What do you mean by continuous form? Means the signals, that no break during the signals. In the previous one there was a break. In the previous one there, what is the digital form? This type of break. Means here is a break, here is a peak, here is a break, and here is a peak. This is a peak, this is peak, and this is break. These things happens in the digital computer. This happens in the digital computer. But here is no break during the signal transmission. No break means what type of signals may be? Signals may be like this, continuously, and therefore this is also called an analog signal. Okay, so next one is they represent information, they represent information by processing measurable physical quantities. Measurable physical quantities means continuously. From this, suppose you start from this, you finish this. These are the signals. There are so many signals. I showed you only 2 p, but there are so many signals like this. So many signals are there. Means physical quantity. Whatever physical quantity means direct quantity. You can say the direct quantity of values, direct value. Here is in the form of 0 and 1. Here in the form of direct values. So direct values means continuous signal at every time you are counting this. We have taken the example of that is cardiograms. Example of cardiogram like this, this again, this again, this. So in this way you will get the cardiograms. Okay, so in this way these are the signals. You can say they represented in the form of physical quantities. Now next one is, it is used for scientists and engineers. It is used for scientists and engineers means scientists or engineers have such type of data because they have a work to do the study about the various waves. Doing the study, why it is study of continuous problem, study of continuous waves problem, study of continuous wave problem. So how they can do study? When they use such type of signals, what is the behavior of these signals? On the basis of this, scientists can take some decision or can come upon the research. So examples of such one is the thermometer, speedometer, that is the measuring temperature, speed and current. Now you take the example of this thermometer and having this thermometer. What is the function of thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature. How to measure temperature? Temperature go on increasing or decreasing, continuous temperature increasing, this temperature continuously increasing, increasing or decreasing, or decreasing, continuously increasing or decreasing. And therefore this thermometer, you had seen that thermometer, there is no things to describe much more about the thermometer. You know the temperature, for measuring the temperature, measuring the heats, understand. So in this way. Now another example is speedometer. Speedometer, you know, your vehicle have a speedometer. When you consider what is the speed of vehicle, and what is the current, what a current, measuring the current is also continuous. Current is also continuous. When you are measuring the current is continuous measuring. Speed means you'll get the speed, it is continuous quantity. Current is continuous, speed is, for this speed we are using the speedometer, the device which is used to count the speed of a vehicle by the speedometer. The device which is used to count the temperature is called the thermometer. So this is the analog computer. Here this analog computer counts or measures the things in the form of continuous values. In the form of continuous value means it's a time and values. Time and value, you prepare the time, the first second some values, for second some 24 temperature, 25 temperature, for third second it is 27, for fourth second it is 28, and fifth second this is 28.2, 28 point, 28.3, and in this way. So these things occurs continuously. So such type of values can be counted by these thermometers. So this is about analog computer, and next one is, third one is your hybrid computer. Third one is your hybrid computer. What is this hybrid computer? Types of computer is nothing but a hybrid computer. What is hybrid computer? Hybrid, you know the name of hybrid computer. Hybrid, as according to the name given in the, this may be the combination of two things, analog and digital computer. Okay, so these components behave as a combination of combination of features of analog and digital computers. Both features of analog means it is also a digital computer. It is also an analog computer. Means both the things, both the waves used by these computers. Both the waves are used these computers. This computer, digital computer, hybrid computer, use digital waves as well as analog waves. Digital waves or analog waves. Both the waves. They use both the waves. Digital waves or analog waves. So this computer uses both the features of analog means sometimes it stores the data in the form of digits, sometimes it stores the data in the form of, and digital computer serves as the controller and provides logical operations. There are some operations. Logical operation means there is a 0 and 1 operations, logical operations, okay, conditional operations, some conditional operations, conditional operation. What is the condition? Sometimes for you can say that conditional operation, conditional where it is used, conditional operations may be used when particular time you use this the temperature for 1 day. For what is the counting of temperature from 2 hours, this is condition. For temperature of next 2 hours, this type of condition is control. What is the temperature, continuous temperature within the first 4 hours, within the first 4 temperature counting for 4 hours, temperature counting for next 4 hours, so in this way you can next temperature counting for next 9 hours. Okay, so in this way there is a counting of temperatures continuously. Okay, so you can say that is a continuous sometime, but at the same time you can also count for data 4 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours. It is nothing in the form of digits. In the form of digits means they is also working in the form of digits, also working in the form of continuous raising the temperature. This is continuous one and this is digital. This is the best example for counting the data of temperatures. Now analog computer serves as a solver of this is different equations can be used to solve. In mathematics there is equation, continuous equations are there, such type of equation used. There must be a device to solve this problem. Human beings cannot do it. Different fixed value cannot find out by the human beings. So if there is a raise in sometimes how they can count it. So it is very necessary that human have such type of devices which count particular mathematical equation given to it and solve the problem. So in this way you can use this one. Now example is automatic teller machine. Every day you are using the automatic teller machine, and this teller machine is nothing but ATM where you can input the signals. You input the card. When you input the card, है ना? Input the card, input the card, input the card. So input the card, it sends signal to server. It sends signal to server. It sends signal to server. This signal is nothing but a signal to sender, and then received it output. What is output? Output in the form of digits. Output in the form of digit. How much rupees you are counting, how much rupees you will get. So such type of things occur in the automatic teller machine. No need to talk much more about this. So next one, electrocardiogram. We are using the heartbeats like this, these papers, and these papers may have like this. Yeah. Sometimes it go on increasing, sometimes it go on increasing, sometimes it go on increasing. So this is a structure signal. This is calculated by the cardiogram. So in this way you can use all these things, three types. So hybrid computers. Okay, now next one is now what we learn here, one is the digital computer. Second one is analog computer, and third one is hybrid computer. Okay, so in the examination they will ask you the question, describe various types of computer. Describe various types of computer. So this is question, and having a 4 marks or 5 marks questions. So we will write these things, describe question. This is question. This is question. Okay, so in this way we will discuss about this computers. Okay. Thank you.